Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically translate WhatsApp messages. It's really simple and easy. So for this, first of all, just open up the Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and then in the search bar, just simply search for this Google Translate and tap on the search bar. So as you can see here it is, just simply tap on this install. So when it's done, just simply tap on this open. You can tap on your profile picture in the top right corner here and then simply tap on this settings. Now in settings, you have to make sure that you have to tap on this tap to translate and just simply toggle this off, use tap to translate. Tap on this allow and toggle this on as well. Now go back and tap on your profile picture again. Tap on this download languages and you can download the language you want to convert from here, whatever you want, like this. Then go back. Now open the WhatsApp, open the chat, tap and hold on the message and simply tap on this copy. Now open this Google Translator and you can see this. It will translate according to your device. You can just simply select the language you want to transfer. Let's say I am selecting this one here, and now as you can see it will translate like this. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.